George. No, that's it.
George, I'm very.
George, this is no way to behave. Georgie.
George, you've gotten so many presents. You've gotten cars. You've gotten a keyboard. You got a game. And that's just today. You got earlier today. You got a hockey stick, a model train.
Did you play with Elmo?
You had some Elmo Legos. You want to play with one of your toys?
No.
You don't want your toys?
Want to play with your piano?
You want to play with this? You want to make some songs with Daddy?
No.
What do you want? You want to sit in Mommy's lap?
Yeah.
Oh.
What's that?
Go, guys.
Oh, that's a present you didn't get, the iPad.